This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a resume for job only way. Begin by placing your name, phone, email, and city at the top so employers can reach you fast. Next, write a brief summary that highlights your main skills and career goal. Use clear section headings for experience, education, and skills. Keep formatting consistent and stick to one page when possible for early career applicants. Focus each experience bullet on what you accomplished, not just duties, and lead with strong action verbs to show impact. Whenever possible, add measurable results like 25% faster processing or $15,000 saved to make achievements tangible. Keep bullets concise and parallel in structure so hiring managers can scan easily. Trim unrelated jobs and prioritize the most recent and relevant roles to the position you want. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a playful pick for busy job seekers who want a cleaner desk area with smart voice control and hands-free cleaning. It keeps your space tidy so you can focus on applications. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create a skills section with role-specific keywords to pass applicant tracking systems and catch recruiter attention. Choose a simple font with 10 to 12 point size and keep margins between 0.5 and 1 inch for clean layout. Exclude photos, birth date, or unrelated personal info to stay professional. Proofread carefully and save as PDF to preserve formatting when you submit your resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.